If you want to keep watching videos while doing other things in Microsoft Edge, picture-in-picture mode is a really useful feature, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it on step by step. This is a quick setting, but once you know where to find it, it can save you a lot of time and make multitasking much easier. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings and options menu for Edge. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains a lot of the browser's privacy controls and site-related settings, so don't worry if it takes a second to find it. Once you're in Privacy, Search, and Services, scroll down until you find Site Permissions. Click on Site Permissions to open the permissions controls for websites. Now, inside Site Permissions, look for the option related to All Permissions and Picture-in-Picture mode. Depending on your version of Edge, this may appear as a site permission setting for Picture-in-Picture, or it may be listed under the Permissions section more generally. Click into that setting and then look for the toggle switch. Turn Picture-in-Picture mode on. When the toggle is enabled, Microsoft Edge will allow supported websites and videos to use picture-in-picture behavior, so you can keep a video floating on your screen while you browse other tabs or apps. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or restart Edge once, just to make sure the setting is fully applied. After that, go back to a video site and test it out. You should now be able to use picture-in-picture mode much more easily. And that's it. You've turned on picture-in-picture mode in Edge. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you like watching content while working, studying, or browsing. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.